Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to merge the cell on your table in your LibreOffice writer on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to merge a table cell in your LibreOffice writer, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, just going to insert a table. So you can just insert table from here itself directly. So I'm just going to insert a find to find. So I just need to be, this is a single heading and this is a single heading. I just need to merge this. So first, for that, first of all, select there two cells. Just by swiping, you can just select it. Then right click here. You have an option called merge cells. Click this. That's it. You have your cells has been merged. The same process. First of all, select this. Then you have the option on the bottom icon. You can see while just placing the cursor, it shows it's as a merge cell. You can just click this. You can just merge the cell, or you can undo it and you can merge the cell which you just needed. So it's so simple. You can also do this from here also. So I'm just going to merge this two cell, right clicking it and just click on merge cell and just right clicking it and then just going to click on merge cell. So this is how you just merge the cell on your table in your LibreOffice writer on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.